Hey everyone and welcome back to Veggielife. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Dum Aloo in a very easy manner. So to start the recipe with, I have taken small sized potatoes, peeled them and poked holes on them from all the sides. For the next step, I have taken a vessel and added oil. So we are going to be shallow frying the potatoes instead of deep frying them. And the oil that remains will be used again in the recipe later. Allow the potatoes to cook on a low heat setting. Cover the lid and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. When shallow frying, make sure that the vessel that you use is thick bottomed. This way the vegetable will not get burnt at the bottom. At this stage, this is how the potatoes will start to look like. Make sure that they are at least 70% done. Once it is ready, you can transfer the potatoes onto a plate and allow them to cool down. Now we'll go ahead and make the masala, for which I have taken about 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf and start to crush them in a mortar pestle until they are half crushed. Next, we shall start the cooking process. So I've taken the same vessel in which we had shallow fried the potatoes earlier. Add 2 pods of cardamom, 3 cloves and the fennel that we had pounded earlier. Next, we'll follow it up with some jeera powder and some Kashmiri red chilli powder. This will add beautiful color to the recipe. With the help of a whisk, start to immediately stir up the masalas to keep them from catching at the bottom. To this masala, we shall add about 3/4 cups of thick sour curd. Keep using the whisk to make sure that the curd does not split. The oil will start to come away from the masala and this is when you shall add the potatoes. At this stage, we shall allow the potatoes to cook for about 5 minutes in a low heat setting. Remember, we had poked holes into the potatoes earlier, so this will help the potatoes to absorb the juiciness from the gravy and will help make them more succulent. Once done, this is how your dum aloo will start to look like. Take a bowl and start to pour in the dum aloo. Garnish it with some mint leaves and coriander leaves. Dum aloo tastes best when served along with some rotis or chapatis on the side. So do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Until then, like, share and subscribe at Veggielife. Bye.